Hey, what's up YouTube? This is part one of my Firework Stash for 2013. Got all my stuff lined up right there. I'll start on the left. Got the Legend Assorted 500 gram case. Got Freedom Rising Up. We Got It. Duke. And Bountiful Booty. Got some leftover Excals from last year. Those are the old design. Got some Super Magnum shells with tails from World Class. Got a half case of Light Brigade by Brothers. It's new for this year. It's a great cake. We got a half case of One Bad Mother. Got a half case of Asian Sensation. High Def half case. I got Thunder Dragon by I don't know who. Got another full case of Excaliburs. Got a full case of the Boomer 200 gram assorted. Got Afterburner, Turning Heads, Gone Bananas, Eye of the Tiger, Warhog Motorcycle, and Sexy Girl. You got a half case of Stop and Go. Got a full case of the Boomer Assorted Chili Pepper. Got Roadshow, Jawbreaker, and Chili Pepper. They come in 3-packs. So this is a whole 3-pack. There's the rest of my World Class Assorted 500. Oh, got Not in My Yard, half case too. Alright, that's part one.